So yesterday, many of you were having some problems with the sound files. There are two ways to add sound. One is to do the soundtrack and the voiceover track, and the other one is to do the voiceover per slide. For the soundtrack and voiceover track, your voice will start from the beginning and continue to the next slide. So for example, I already added one using the voice track and the soundtrack method, and here's what happens. This is a test. This is test number 1. In test number 1, I'm going to be talking about Boston and seeing if it will record and continue on to the next slide. This is a test. So you see what happened there is my voiceover started from the beginning, started from the slide number 1, and then my voiceover continued talking. I continued talking until slide number 2. It continued on to the next slide. If I only want to start at a different slide, not the first slide, I need to do voiceover per slide, this option. So if you click on that and add a file, it will look like this. Right? If you want to replace it or save it right here, you'll upload it. If you want to add a file, which I already did, it will only give you 20 seconds to talk and will cut you off. So you only have 20 seconds to talk for this slide. So let me show you what happens. We're going to try this recording. This recording should be more than 20 seconds. Those 20 seconds will allow us to see if Powtoon will stop us after the 20 seconds. So we need to talk for 20 seconds and see what happens. I think that Powtoon, you see there, it cut off my sound. So there are two different ways to add sound from Vocaroo. You can record Vocaroo from the beginning to the end, the entire script, your entire presentation, and then add it as a soundtrack or voice track. Or you can record smaller parts of your script, smaller parts of your presentation, and upload it in 20 seconds, every 20 seconds for each picture, for voiceover per slide. You decide.